Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Audi TT front bumper. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface with the parking brake engaged. Gather your essential tools, including a Torx bit set, a flathead screwdriver, and some trim removal tools. Opening the hood now will give you access to the top fasteners and allow you to disconnect any fog light wiring early on. Next, we'll tackle the wheel wells and the underside. Turn your front wheels to one side to easily access the Torx screws securing the wheel well liner. You'll typically find 3 to 5 screws on each side. After that, move to the underside of the bumper. There, you will find several more fasteners that need to be removed to free the lower section. Now, it's time to disconnect any remaining electrical components. Carefully unclip any wiring for fog lights, parking sensors, or headlight washers. With all fasteners removed and wires disconnected, gently pull the bumper outwards from the vehicle. It should release from its side clips with a firm but controlled tug. Be ready to place it on a soft surface to prevent scratches. When you're ready to reinstall, first inspect all clips and mounting points for any damage. Reconnecting all electrical components is crucial before you fully secure the bumper back into place. Carefully align the bumper and push it firmly until all side clips engage. Finally, tighten all fasteners securely, ensuring there are no loose parts that could cause rattling while driving. This ensures a snug and safe fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.